What if I told you that you are not just one person, but an entire ecosystem? Right now, inside your body, lives a hidden universe of trillions of tiny organisms, bacteria, fungi, and even viruses. Together, they form what scientists call the gut microbiome. And here's the shocking truth. This invisible world doesn't just digest your food. It can influence your weight, your cravings, your mood, your immune system, and maybe even your personality. Let's dive into the science of the microbes that live inside you and how they might secretly be running your life. Your body is made of about 30 trillion human cells, but inside you live around 40 trillion microbes. That means you are actually more microbe than human. Most of them live in your intestines, especially the large intestine. This vast microbial jungle is as unique as a fingerprint. No two people have the exact same microbiome. And this microbial identity can shape your health in ways you can't imagine. For decades, we thought microbes were only about digestion. But research in the last 20 years has revealed something incredible. Your gut microbes talk directly to your brain, your immune system, even your genes. They don't just live with you, they live through you. Have you ever felt like you just can't resist a donut or chocolate? Science suggests it might not always be you making the decision. Different bacteria thrive on different foods. Some love sugar, some prefer fat, some need fiber. And because they want to survive, they have a clever trick. They send chemical signals to your brain through the gut-brain axis. Studies show that microbes can release neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, the same chemicals involved in reward and cravings. This means your microbes may literally hijack your brain's reward circuits to push you toward the foods they want. So next time you crave sweets, ask yourself, is this me or is it my microbes? The gut microbiome doesn't just influence what you eat, it also shapes how you feel. In fact, scientists now call the gut the second brain. That's because your intestines contain over 500 million neurons, all connected to your real brain through the vagus nerve. And here's the kicker. About 90% of serotonin, the so-called happiness chemical, is made in the gut, not the brain. Gut microbes also produce GABA, dopamine, and other mood-regulating chemicals. Research has linked microbiome imbalances to depression, anxiety, autism, and even Alzheimer's disease. In one striking experiment, scientists transplanted gut bacteria from anxious mice into healthy mice. The healthy mice became anxious, swapped the microbes, swapped the mood. This raises a disturbing possibility. Your emotions may not be entirely yours. They may be co-authored by trillions of microbes inside you. We all know that some people can eat anything and never gain weight, while others gain weight easily. But why? Part of the answer lies in the microbiome. Certain bacteria extract more calories from the same food. Others influence how fat is stored. Experiments with identical twins, one obese, one lean, showed that their gut bacteria were dramatically different. When microbes from the obese twin were transplanted into mice, those mice gained more weight than mice that got microbes from the lean twin. So, yes, your microbes may literally decide how your body handles food. Did you know that about 70% of your immune system is located in the gut? That's because your gut is the front line between the outside world and the inside of your body. Every bite of food, every sip of water brings in millions of potential invaders. Your microbiome acts as both shield and teacher for your immune system. Good microbes train your immune cells to recognize friend from foe. Without them, your immune system can misfire, leading to allergies, autoimmune diseases, or chronic inflammation. Even more astonishing, recent research suggests that imbalanced gut bacteria may play a role in conditions like type 1 diabetes, multiple sclerosis, and rheumatoid arthritis. Beyond mood, microbes may influence higher brain functions too, like memory, learning, and even personality. Some studies have found links between gut bacteria and autism spectrum disorders. Others suggest the microbiome may affect risk for Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's. The idea is radical but growing. Your thoughts and personality may not be entirely yours. They may be partially shaped by the invisible passengers in your gut. The list of conditions linked to the microbiome is expanding rapidly. Obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cancer, all show microbial fingerprints. Even COVID-19 outcomes have been linked to differences in gut bacteria. One study found that people with a healthier microbiome had milder symptoms and recovered faster. The microbes may help regulate inflammation, which is key to fighting infections. Here's the exciting part. If microbes influence our health so deeply, can we change them? Yes. Diet is the biggest factor. A diverse, fiber-rich diet feeds beneficial bacteria. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut add good microbes. Prebiotics, foods like garlic, onions, bananas, help beneficial microbes grow. Probiotics are another tool. Some strains are being studied as treatments for depression, anxiety, and even autism. And then there's the extreme approach, fecal microbiota transplants. As bizarre as it sounds, transplanting healthy microbes into sick patients has cured cases of life-threatening infections like C. difficile. The future may bring personalized microbiome medicine, where doctors analyze your gut microbes and prescribe custom diets or probiotics to prevent disease. Here's the bigger picture. We like to think of ourselves as individuals, but in truth we are walking ecosystems, human plus microbes, a superorganism. Our health, our cravings, our mood, even parts of our personality are influenced by the microbial universe inside us. And maybe that's not something to fear. Maybe it's a partnership. We evolved with microbes. We are incomplete without them. So instead of asking, what do I want to eat? Maybe we should ask, what do my microbes want me to eat? So here's the mind-bending takeaway. The trillions of microbes in your gut are not silent passengers. They are active partners, influencing your cravings, your weight, your mood, your immune system, and even your brain. They don't just keep you alive, they may shape who you are. So the next time you feel a sudden craving or your mood shifts for no reason, remember, it might not just be you. It might be the invisible world inside you, whispering into your brain. We are never truly alone. We are human plus microbe. And maybe that hidden partnership is what truly makes us human. If you enjoyed exploring the hidden universe inside you, don't forget to subscribe. There's so much more waiting to be discovered. This is deep science, where every question opens another universe.